like a list here. It's like a list of gratitude, and sometimes I just like to come outside and sit in the sun and read it. It just makes me feel better. So cute. I journaled. I read my devotional. This is the one I'm currently reading. I love this devotional. It is super like short and sweet, but I actually just read this one of this morning's, and it honestly gave me like a inspiration of like what to make my next video on. And it's all about like thoughts in our minds and like what we're thinking, and like when you look at yourself in the mirror, like what are you thinking about. And I don't know, I just have like a video idea because I think that's very prevalent in today's society, especially with women. So I love that devotional. I'm gonna read Proverbs. I was cutting an orange and on the orange, like obviously they'll have like stickers, and I like went to cut it and then I took the sticker off because it fell, and it literally was 3110. So I was like, let me like look up what that is, and I forgot that it was, well, I felt God say Proverbs, and then it literally was Proverbs 31, the beginning of Proverbs 31:10. So like that's like literally how God speaks to me sometimes, like through the most simplest things. I think he knows that a lot of us, sometimes it's just so simple, like a song or a person or an orange. So don't like let like a religious mindset keep you in your own way of hearing from God, when he absolutely can speak to you in a very simple just manner, you know.
You can't chase all the squirrels because I feel bad. I always gotta warn them. Winston! Garden.
just got back from church. What are you doing? A little bit ago. I kind of took a nap, but we stopped at HomeSense just really quick. Nick was like, let's just stop. And we actually ended up getting a table because we have been looking for like a month and a half, I'd say, for a patio. What is it called? Just like a patio table.
Patio dining.
Wait, am I supposed to be grabbing this?
Yeah.
Be careful. And then we have another delivery. We got 2 new stools for the table, which I actually have a brand deal with. They sent it to me and I'm working with the brand, so that was very exciting. Lots of packages. But this is a Martha Stewart table, and I thought I'll show you guys when it's all done. But yeah, we're kind of just like getting everything set up for spring in the back patio. If you guys are new to my channel, I got married about 5 months ago, 6 months now, and my husband and I live together, and I show you guys the way that I live. I just got a dog about 4 months ago, so yeah, like 2 months into marriage we got a dog, but I love him. And yeah, we got a little fire pit. We're just kind of trying to, you know, make everything look cozy and ready for spring. We're gonna do a big garden with like tons of vegetables, tons of flowers, so I'm just really excited. But I want to prep this up so I can show everyone. So these are some of the chairs.
Oh, nice.
Do they go? Like, it doesn't blend with the concrete?
No.
I have Nick's slippers on. This is the 3 Seasons, which is so cute and adorable. We got this, I need to clean this, on our wedding registry, and I need to clean this really well. We haven't really been in it yet because it's been so cold, but now that it is like approaching spring, we're gonna be in it more. I really want to like make this like,
Yeah.
and like it's just plain, so we'll put like some stuff here, make it look cute. Costco always has like really inexpensive plants. Oh, there's the puppy. Hi, bud. Hey, bud. Hi, bud. Chairs? Are those chairs? Yes. Love you, bud. Okay. Go. Go. Is this where it will go? Yeah. Or more? Wait, it's so pretty. I think
So
the flowers
It's so nice.
do it good.
Take a nice picture.
Yeah, showing my friends. You like it?
And I was but they were good price. They were good.
So what do you think it is?
When we get it fresh.
What?
It's a full. You might have to. Costco had it for 20.
So I have.
You
Pretty.
put see the
See?
little bit of big. See how nice
I love
little.
it. Yeah.
I got it. Okay, what do you think? This
Oh
and
my
that.
gosh.
I think
That
we
was
could
the one
just.
that
I think
better
we could
sticks,
just
and
make
this,
like
this should be a
different
little more
little
fill.
pieces of fabric.
And
Yeah, I
you-
think my pillow is just too small.
yeah, you need a pillow that's
Do you
already
think that's
nice.
too big?
Too big.
I like
thick,
this
you put
size.
just look a little there.
No, I like this
A
size.
nice- Oh yeah,
Cute.
okay, but that's cute. Up the sweater.
I think they're making a comeback, like putting on.
They used to be in
That's what I'm
style.
saying,
When
that's
was
why I
young-
like
when
the
I was
old
younger
stuff,
like
like-
you, I had.
Do my
I
lunch.
haven't had a one. I don't remember.
Well, I wear it because it's convenient. Like I get out of the shower and I just want to feel more put together.
loose until you get
Until
ready.
I get ready.
Until to know what you're gonna wear.
Yes, because I don't know
Yeah.
what I'm wearing yet, so I'll do my makeup in my to look
With the-
more
with
put
this,
together.
yeah.
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 And then you just put while the lotion dries, you wear this.
Yeah. Too big. I'll make another one. I'll make a couple. I make one each.
Do you like this fabric? What other fabric do we have? I don't remember.
The flower. I think it's a
Yeah,
different
do
one.
that
It's a
one.
flap. Do the one with another two.
Yeah, no,
Like this?
Yeah.
And okay.
Balsamic.
What would
You
you
can
do?
do it
Yes,
that way.
a little bit of
So how do we
balsamic.
start it? You would.
We're gonna cut it. I wash it, I dry it, and then we cut it. Put them in it. We put it in a bowl. You put the pasta. I'll put this.
Nick, is this enough for us both?
Yes, honey. Yeah.
I don't know. We are marinating some chicken. Shish kebabs.
Yeah, just kebab. Just kebab.
Is it called shish kebab or just a kebab?
Nani, wait, say it.
I don't know. Just kebab.
Chest kebab.
What do you call?
Shish kebab. I don't know. Who even made that up? I don't
Here
even
goes
know.
Wednesday, look. Yes, good size. Perfect size.
Good size.
Yeah.
I should make meatballs. I haven't made them in a while.
Okay, this got enough salt.
That's not how you sit. That's not how you sit. You gotta sit like this. Oh my gosh.
I need
This-
more cheese. Search me. Let's make some lemon water. Just gonna do that. A little lemon. And then I like to add a pinch of salt, probably dehydrated from sleeping. And then this is just lion's mane. It's like a tincture. Just add it. You don't even taste it. And you only want to put like a little pinch of salt, like just enough to, you don't even want to taste it. I just put this lip tint stain or whatever. I'm gonna do my olive oil shot, but I literally have nothing. I need to go grocery shopping. I don't even have olive oil, so I usually would do like a lemon, olive oil, squeeze that, a little bit of turmeric, and take that, but big veggie scramble. And whatever vegetables you honestly want to chop. I love adding mushroom. I'm really excited for like that change of pace in the weather so that I could like want to eat things that are a little more fresh. Like I'm gonna start making this smoothie that I have made before. It's like a heavy metal detox smoothie. And I also love to juice celery and have, I love having something green in the morning. O'Neill is saying bitter to the mouth. She says it in her accent. She's like bitter to the mouth, bitter, but she's like bitter to the mouth, better for the liver, sweet to the mouth, bad to the liver. So that's my little tip to you today. Because it's like super bitter, but when things are more bitter, like certain vegetables or things, like we obviously don't want to eat those, but those are actually like really good for you. Just got a package in from Strive. So this is my NAD that I've been taking. I've been into like peptides. This is and it's called Shed. So no, I'm like hesitant to show you guys because I don't want people to like feel like they have to buy this, but it's just something that's been helping me in my hormones with the doctors that I've been working with. They, said that using some NAD can help to charge and recirculate new cells, like I guess like old cells that have been dead in your mitochondria. These will help to resurface them. I'm gonna put them in the fridge. I just got home from, well, not really. I've been putting all this stuff away. Hold on.